Hello, in this video you will see different view parameters. So first question is why we need view parameter. Using view parameter we can select how to view an object. For example, we want to see a 3D object from the different sides, from the left side, from the right side, from the top, from bottom. Suppose this is the 3D object and we want to see the object from the different sides, like from the top, from the bottom, from the left side, from the right side, and from behind. So how we can see object from the different sides? For that we need view parameter. By this we can select how to view an object, and we can obtain different object view by rotating the camera about the view plane normal vector. So what we can do, we can rotate the camera about the view plane normal vector and keeping the view reference point and the direction fixed. So in order to see the object from the different sides, first we will apply some rotation and transformation before projection. As you can see, for example, you can see here different parts of the object. So first viewing parameter is view reference point. Here this is the center of the viewing coordinate system and this is the center of attention. Here you can see this is the object and this is the position for the view reference point. Here this is the position of camera. If we want to view the object from the different sides, like from the top, from the bottom, from the left right side, or from behind, then we will choose a particular view. After that you can see here we have different coordinates for this, in the x-axis, in the y-axis, and in the g-axis. Next parameter is view plane normal vector. This is perpendicular to the view plane. Here you can see this is the view plane. This parameter is perpendicular to the view plane, and you can see this is the distance between the view reference point and view plane, and this is the view normal vector. This means that camera is pointed in the direction of view normal plane. For example, you can see here different parts of the object, and you can see this is the view reference point and this is the camera in the different direction. Next is three-dimensional clipping. In three-dimensional clipping we are using here clipping volume and the view volume. We have two types of clipping volume, that is rectangular parallelopiped and truncated. This is used for the parallel projection and this one is used for the perspective projection, and this is the example of parallel projection. That is the example of rectangular parallelopiped clipping volume. We use this for the parallel projection. You can see here the parallel lines, and this is the example of truncated viewing volume, truncated volume, that is used for the perspective projection. Here you can see the further example of these two volumes. This one is for the parallel projection and this one is for the perspective projection. Here this is the projection window where object is projected, and this is the front plane, this is the back plane, and this is the view volume you can see here. And for this is for the perspective projection. You can see this is the projection reference point, and here you can see this is the projection window, front plane, and you can see that's all about this video. That is about different 3D clipping methods that we have and different types of view parameters. So that's all about this video. If you have any question, you can comment below, and thanks for watching this video.